أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على محمد وعلى آله وسلم. Today we will study third Ruku of Surah An Nahl. Our last session ended with this point that the signs of Allah are spread everywhere in this universe and even within ourselves. But these signs are understood only by those who remember Allah Almighty and use the countless blessings given by Him with gratitude. With this application, that may Allah Almighty help us in understanding the Holy Quran by the grace of His beloved Prophet Rahmatul Alameen Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Let us start today's session. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ilahukum Ilahu Wahid. Your God is the one God. Wallazina la yu'minuna bil akhirati qulubuhum munkiratum wahum mustakbirun. So those who don't believe in hereafter, their hearts are disapproving and they are arrogant. Munkiratun refuse to recognize. In the previous ruku, we studied that some people invoke others besides Allah Almighty. In reality, they are not the creator of anything. Rather, they themselves are creatures and are dependent upon the real creator like other creatures. The condition of such people is like that of death because they don't have the knowledge how and when would be raised. O reader of Quran, in reality, you all have same Lord who is fulfilling the needs of every creature and is providing the resources of life. Therefore, he is the one to be served and praised. Therefore, those people who don't have this conviction that after end of present life they will be presented in front of their creator and honor for the accountability of their actions, and the recompensation in the next realm of life is totally dependent upon their present deeds. Their hearts are ignorant and think that this world is everything. Neither they are considered to be resurrected after death, nor they have any belief of the accountability of their activities. In chapter 6, Surah Al Inam, verse 29, it is said, and they say, there is only but one present life, we shall not be resurrected. And in chapter 16, Surah An Nahl, verse 107, it is mentioned, this is because they have chosen the life of the world only, ignoring the life to come. Allah does not guide those who choose to reject the truth. La jarama anna Allaha ya'lamu ma yusirruna wa ma yu'linun. Nay, it is affirmed that Allah Almighty knows what they conceal and what they declare. Innahu la yuhibbul mustakbirin. Indeed, He doesn't love the arrogant. It is evident that no action of creatures is hidden from their true creator and honor, whether they do an action covertly or openly. He knows everything. Rather, he is also aware of the thoughts that arise in their mind and the feelings that arise in their chest. In chapter 3, Surah Al Imran, verse 29, it is said, say it, whether you conceal it in your breast or reveal it, Allah knows the best and has knowledge of what is in the heavens and what is in the earth. And Allah has power over everything. Similarly, in chapter 40, Surah Ghafir, verse 19, it is said, He knows the perfidy of the eyes and what the breasts hide. Allah Almighty likes those who are not arrogant. But He likes those who are humble and subservient. They are just and kind, free from all kinds of evil. They keep away from all kinds of falsehood, and those who strive in their Lord's way and are patient and have faith on Allah Almighty. While the polytheists, transgressors, routers, ungrateful, infidels, tyrants, dishonest, arrogant, proud, extravagant, oppressors, and those who are averse to the truth are not liked by Allah Almighty. In short, we can say obedient is fortunate, disobedient is misfortunate. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ مَاذَا أَنزَلَ رَبُّكُمْ, and when it is asked from them, what was your Lord sent down? Kalu asatirul awwaleen, they say legends of the formers. Asatiru, tales. The conditions of these haughty people who are lost in their arrogance is that when it is said to them, consider what your Lord has sent down, contemplate on it with neutral mind and clean heart, how much goodness is in it for you. Instead of doing that, they immediately reply that these are the tales of the ancient people. What is for us in them? The term Asatirul Awwaleen, that is, the tales of the former people, has been mentioned many times in the Holy Quran. For example, in chapter 6, Surah Al verse 25, it is said, and among them are those who listen to you, but we have placed over their hearts coverings, lest they understand it, and in their ears deafness. And if they should see every sign, they will not believe in it. Even when they come to you arguing with you, those who disbelieve say, this is not but saga of the former people. Similarly, in chapter 8, Surah Al Anfal, verse 31, it is mentioned, whenever our verses are recited to them, they say, we have heard them. If we willed, we could say like this, this is not but tales of the former people. Such things are uttered by those who are ignorant of the truth and consider this worldly life as everything and are proud of their knowledge and worldly affairs. And whatever offends their faith or causes them any harm in their affairs, they are neither ready to think about it, nor do they take it into account. In fact, such a style can only be adopted by those whose hearts are veiled. لِيَحْمِلُوا أَوْزَارَهُمْ كَامِلَاتٍ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ, that they may bear their own burdens on the day of resurrection. وَمِنْ أَوْزَارِ الَّذِينَ يُضِلُّونَهُمْ بِغَيْرِ عِلْمٍ, and some of the burdens of those whom they misguided without knowledge. Allah sa'a ma yazirun. Note, evil is that which they bear. Awzarahum, their own burdens. Due to their lack of interest and animosity about reality, they will have to bear the whole load of their sins and some of the burdens of those people whom they deviated away from the right course without any knowledge. This perception is absolutely faulty, and this will result into hardships, pains, and hurdles for them in the upcoming phase of life. In chapter 6, Surah Al verse 31, it is mentioned about such like people. Those will have lost who deny the meeting with Allah Almighty until when the all comes upon them unexpectedly, They will say, "Oh, our regret over what we neglected concerning it," while they bear their burdens on their backs. Unquestionably, evil is that which they bear. A summary of this ruku. In reality, our Lord is the one who is fulfilling the requirements of his all creatures. Therefore, he is only to be worshipped and praised, not those people who don't believe in this truth that after the end of the phase of life, they will be presented in front of their real creator and honor for accountability of their deeds. They remain unaware of this veracity and are showing arrogance on behalf of their present situation. The actions of such like people are not hidden from the real Lord. Whenever they are told about resurrection after death, they declare them as tales of the former people, which have been going on since long. On the day of resurrection, they will not only bear the burden of their sins, but also some of the burdens of the people they misguided. May Allah Almighty help us in understanding the Holy Quran, and may we act upon it in accordance with the guidance of the Holy Prophet Rahmatul Alameen Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Sadaqallahul Aliyul Azim Sallallahu Ta'ala ala Habibihi Muhammadin wa alihi wasallam.